Hello everyone, welcome to the world of smart investing. Do you know what mistake even experienced investors make? Can you guess? This is a purchase price of the assets. Let's say you found beautiful wonderful company with long-term sustainable competitive advantages. But if you buy this company at high price, you will not earn anything. This is very important moment in whole investing. Today in this video, I tell you about 6 types of situations when to invest. Knowing about these 6 types of situations, you can avoid these terrible mistakes. My name is Liubomyr. I am general partner, investor of Equity Capital Partners. Remember, the purchase price defines your return on invested capital. This is the most important figure in investing. The ability to catch a favorable time for purchase can provide you with the highest return on investment. Therefore, stock can only be bought when they are sold below a certain price. Let's see when such opportunities arise. There are 6 situations. The situation number 1 is stock market collapse. The real downturn in stock market relegates stock quotes to the limit. Such opportunities arise less often than others, but it's easy to identify them because all the media, business media, in one voice blow the whole world that the stock market is in collapse. At this moment in time, the entire financial world is filled with terrible pessimism. Phrase by maximum pessimism just about this opportunity. Situation number 2 is an industry recession. In this situation, the entire industry as a whole is experiencing financial problems. Such confusions may be different in scale and depth. The recovery period after such crisis can be very long, from 1 to 4 years. Therefore, focus on companies that have a sustainable competitive advantage in the industry. Such companies have large reserves of cash, and before the recession they received high profits. Situation number 3 include individual problems in company. Sometimes it happens that an excellent company makes some mistakes while losing a lot of money. Your task is to find out if this is one-time accident or something permanent. If the problem is one-time and has a solution, for example, litigation, then this is a great opportunity to buy stocks cheaply. Situation number 4 includes structural changes in companies. It refers to the type of special situations that provide an excellent opportunity for arbitrage transactions, arbitrage deals. This topic is not one video, but 10 at least, so we will definitely return to this topic in future videos. And at the moment, you just need to remember that structural changes of the company often create an excellent opportunity to buy company stocks cheaply. Situation number 5: military conflicts and terrorist attacks. The threat of war leads to a fall in stock prices, regardless of the time of year. Fear makes people sell assets to have cash. The same group can include situations with political, economical sanctions and trade wars. A bright example in the sale of shares of airlines, hotels, travel companies after September 11, 2001. The most recent examples are the trade war with China, economic sanctions against Russia. Situation number 6 is the ideal situation for purchase arises when the above listed situation, panic in the stock market, industry recession, internal problem of the interesting company, structure changes of the company and war are combined with each other. If you want to get rich on investments, you should learn to use the phenomenon of bad news. Therefore, analyzing investment opportunities in real time, we will return to these 6 types of situations when a beautiful discount price offers appear. If this video is valuable for you, please subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, colleagues who is seriously interested in smart investment approach, smart investment strategy, real practice in investing. Please write comments, share your wisdom, your competence, your experience in investing. I read every comment. Every week we produce 2 new videos about real practice in investment. See you next video.